They'll never catch me, but I have to admit that I always steal Sharpies from the office.
I let my kids eat pizza 3 nights a week.
When my family, including my wife, was asleep the other night, I watched Twilight. And not just the movie, the entire anthology. I watched every Twilight movie back to back. And I actually kind of liked it.
And I confess that normally I am, kind of a biker and I like all that bike stuff, but I would really rather swing dance most of the time.
I was born a man.
When I'm cooking my family dinner and I drop food on the floor, I serve it to them anyway.
Hi, Kellyanne. This is Todd E. Lyons, Esquire. Back in 1992, I think it was, I went to a concert at Key Arena in Seattle and saw Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. During the show, I was expectorating into my paper beer cup with my, tobacco juice. After one of Tom's numbers, I began to clap my hands, holding my spitty in one hand. Well, it accidentally popped out and went down the back of this young woman's brand new leather coat sitting in front of me. Well, needless to say, I was a poor disc jockey and didn't really have money to pay for it to get clean. So I got the heck out of Dodge. So whoever that lady is from Seattle from 1992 that wondered why her coat was wet and smelled funny, it was me. Sorry.
I'm not wearing any underwear.